Wow!
Are you ready to catch the bouquet? Who's going to get it? Definitely not me! Sunday morning with a bowl of your favorite cereal. What could be better? Breaking news! The last single girl on Earth has been found. Her name is Polly. What? Where did they get that picture? There must be some mistake. Uh-oh. I think we have a problem. Who is that? I wasn't expecting company. Who's there? Is this a joke? Oh, there's a whole bunch of guys. Hey, baby, pick me. No way. They are starting to leave. Only the most serious ones remain. I must be dreaming. This is a nightmare. Brian decided to break the rules. Here comes the victim. I mean, the bride-to-be. Gotcha. Oops. I'm going the other way. That girl doesn't suspect a thing. Surprise! Will you marry me? Well, very romantic. Who taught you to treat girls like that? Why don't you take the tape off and untie me? Where are your manners? Kaya! It works every time. It's your turn to sit here. That'll teach you to mess with me. Ciao, amigo. But I love you. Come back. I forgive you. Polly works as a cashier at the supermarket. Monster High? Great choice. That's right. Thanks for the purchase. It's Adam. And he's up to something. Just act natural. There she is. My bride-to-be. Who's there? I must have imagined it. Yeah. Adam's so creative. A ring? Then I wasn't imagining this. It's so over the top. I'll have to get another cashier. The break's over. What even is that? Sweetheart, will you? Uh-oh. No, sir. You've got it all wrong. I'll try my luck next time. This guy's out of his mind. Polly loves spicy food. I love hot wings. The hotter the better. Phew, it's hot. Oops, can you give me a hand? Miss me? Hey, ever heard of personal boundaries? Relax, I just thought I'd keep you company. Looks like someone bribed the waitress. My love, this is for you. Are you serious? An engagement nugget? That's original. Something went wrong. There it is. Your ring. Wait a minute. What do you think of my fiery rejection? Now that's unexpected. I'm sorry. Gotta go. The movie's starting. Westerns are the best. Sounds like an old acquaintance of ours. I think I've seen him somewhere before. He's irresistible. Will you marry me? The audience is all extras. Here you go. No! What a drama. The cowboy's heart is broken. I've had enough. Poor Adam is so sensitive. I'm finally home. What a crazy week. Hey, who's there? Oh no! This can't be happening. Will you marry me, Polly? Stop it! I don't want to get married. Leave me alone. How is that possible? Get out of here. Looks like it's a dream. And the diamond rings are actually onion rings. I can't believe I'm dreaming about this. I'll never eat before bed again. Maybe just a little. All's fair in love and war. Definitely. She'll say yes. Perfect camouflage. I want a tattoo. Right here on my arm. Check out our selection. That's weird. It's all cute. This isn't a tattoo shop. It's a wedding salon. This isn't working. Ryan will do the trick. No, miss. Trust the artist. Your hand, please. Ryan's just in time. Now it's for life. Get over here. Liar. I got caught. You've got to be kidding me. Those two seem to be too busy with each other. I'll get out of your way, boys. It's a great day for a trip out of town. I don't think I forgot anything. What's that weird noise? It sounds like it's somewhere behind me. Metal cans? Who did that? Now you'll definitely say yes. What are you doing in my trunk? Get out of here! You guys are getting on my nerves. This is your last warning. Then take your cans. Aww. Ryan thought that idea was so sweet. So, miss, what can I do for you? Let's see how things are going. We need a seal. Sit right there for a while. And I have a musical massage for you. Adam is so romantic. But it looks like he can't read Polly's lips to get her answer. Do you say yes or no? I can't tell. Honey, what are you mumbling about? Okay, is that clear? It's another fail. Looks like we're going to have to join forces. Any suggestions, genius? Bingo! Give me 2 minutes. Put this on. I'll take care of the rest. All right. Whatever you say, Ryan. Now let's stick to the plan. Let's go. What's so interesting? Excuse me, miss. Are you Polly? No. You've got me confused with someone else. I have a rush delivery for you. Sign here. Well, all right. But at least tell me what's inside. Oh, I don't like surprises. A wedding dress? I think I know who sent this. Oops. Excuse me, miss. I'm a mess. What? I've got to change right away. Yeah, I had no choice. Uh-oh. It's those two again. Hey, wait for us. I think I got away. Hey, where are you, honey? Ow! This is my chance to escape. Phew. These runs are so exhausting. Not waiting for me, miss? How about me? Hurry up! We need to find shelter! Catch her! She doesn't seem to be here. There she is! I found you! Hey there! Will you marry me? Oops! My mistake! Attack! Woohoo! Looks like Polly is trapped. Hey, you! Look! Looks like this couple is about to break up. Which means Polly isn't the last bride. Miss, don't be sad. Just marry me. Well, well, well. Finally, I'm free. Did you like our video about the last bride on Earth? Do you think Ryan and Adam will be able to get the new girl to like them back? Tell us in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to know what's next. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell. Don't miss new funny sketches on Troom. Wow!